Hi, I'm Romy, and today we will see how you can drastically reduce your CRM licenses costs. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce the number of CRM licenses you buy every month while keeping everyone's access to your customers' data. Research shows that 80% of the CRM licenses paid by a company are used only to see and update their clients' and prospects' details. When you know that one CRM license costs between $50 and $150 per month and per user, we realized it's a lot to pay just for a shared address book. So, how can you reduce your number of CRM licenses and still provide everyone access to their customers' information? Simply synchronize your CRM with shared contacts for Gmail. Here is how to proceed. First, find out what users are only using the CRM to access leads and customer information, and which users need advanced features of the CRM, like quotes, email marketing, and other configurations. Then, you will know which users need to keep a license and which ones can be removed from your costly CRM subscription. Then, install Shared Contacts for Gmail from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Create the contacts lists that will be synchronized with the different CRM views. Share the lists with the users or group of users that will need to access the CRM contacts. Make sure that you give them the can edit permission if you want them to update these contacts. Now, in your CRM, synchronize your contacts and views with your shared lists. Most CRMs offer built-in integration with Google Contacts. You can check the integration section of our website at www.getsharedcontacts.com or visit the help section of your CRM website to know how it integrates with Google Contacts. If no Google integration is available out of the box, you can use Zapier to directly integrate Shared Contacts for Gmail with more than 5,000 apps and CRMs. And that's it. As soon as the contacts start synchronizing, they are automatically shared with the other users who will be able to see and edit them from their dashboard, from Google Contacts, in their mobile, in Gmail, Drive, and Calendar, in their CRM, in their IP phone, and in hundreds of applications they use every day. Congratulations! Now your users can enjoy the data of your CRM for a fraction of the price. Indeed, a CRM license costs around $50 per user and per month. Shared Contacts Business Edition is $2.49 per month. You will then save 90% on your actual costs. If you're unsure on how to proceed, contact Shared Contacts for Gmail support now to get your CRM synchronization up and running in minutes. Thanks for viewing this video, and don't forget to subscribe to get updated with our new tutorials.